characters here. We're just comparing outfits, and they're very similar tonight. But let me tell you, we have something else that is brand new today.
Yes.
Only order of the year. 21 brand new items in the 3-hour show tonight. This is one of them. And this is from Temp-tations. This is Tara Tesher, the CEO, the chief designer, and president of the company. All that is one person.
Yes, it's true.
And come out here because we can't see you.
Oh, well, that's because these are giant.
There she is. And we're both wearing plaid. Look at us.
Who wore it better? Just
hey,
kidding.
This is fantastic. I love your characters.
Thank you.
And this is something brand new. What are these made of?
I knew you were going to love this. So this is an indoor-outdoor resin. They're weather-resistant. They're fade-resistant. They're lit, which I love. They're full-size characters. So we've been sharing our characters with all of you for about 10 years at this point. This is the first time we have really, truly made them lifelike. So I love the fact 2C batteries, David. It comes with a timer. And look at all that detail. No matter which way you're looking at him, Cardinal here that I do in honor of my dad, he's holding the candy cane, and then all of those jewel tone lights that you see all the way around.
Now, you will need some batteries for this.
Yeah, 2C batteries.
2C like Charlie batteries.
Correct, yes.
This is Gumdrop, the gingerbread man. So if you're ordering this one, order gingerbread.
So cute.
23 inches tall. Then we have the snowman, which is Mr. Bojangles.
Yes.
And we have fewer than 400 remaining there. And look how he's decorated all the way around.
All the way around, which I love. He's holding that beautiful Christmas tree. This is all resin and then individually hand painted, so you really can appreciate that story. Inches tall. That's why it's in David's Great Big.
Great Big Christmas.
I love the idea if you can swing it, maybe grab 2 of these and anchor these in front of your front door, or and nestle them somewhere inside. Absolutely adorable. We've brought them to life.
And then we have the reindeer, which is 21 inches tall. He's already last call.
I was going to say, I think he's been our most popular. Do the voice.
Wembley. My name is Wembley.
Look at that face.
He's kind of modeled after your dog Jackson.
He is our little Aussie Doodle, not so little, 70-pound Aussie Doodle Jackson.
He's a big boy.
Has that same face, and he gives you that same look. But look at
and if Jackson had a voice, his voice would be like this.
We're like, come on. But again, all of that great detail, even on the hat there, the pom-pom, all of that carved in there. Come down here and look at his little sash here with, of course, the cardinal that I do in honor of my father. So you'll see the cardinal on all of the characters here.
When cardinals appear, angels are near.
Oh, always.
So special.
Always.
Hey, reindeer just sold out. Wembley is gone.
Oh my gosh, this is the only order of the year, you guys. We don't have any more coming back in.
And then finally we have Penny the Penguin.
Penny the Penguin, I have to say, she's been a showstopper all day. Again, also with the cardinal, she has her sweet little hat on, her scarf. Look at her little pink cheeks, that adorable little beak, and then that scarf that wraps all the way around. The cardinal, again, is 3-dimensional, which I love. And David, these are just so beautifully done. Indoor or outdoor, weather resistant, fade resistant, 2C batteries, like I said, and the base actually has a little rubber protection around, of course, the battery pack.
Bang, bang,
so
bang, bang.
you don't have to worry about that. And they're weighty. They're about 8 to 9 pounds each because you don't want them blowing over if you're putting them outside.
If you want to know where all the wind is, it's at my house.
Yes.
And so you walk in the front door and it's like little dogs and a little girl in a blue gingham dress flies by. This is very popular. In fact, how many are gone now, Brian? 700 in this show. You had this on earlier today?
We did, at 7 a.m.
So how many for the day? We're going to check. We're checking. All right, so very, very popular. Only order of the year.
That's right.
These are getting limited. You will need 2 like C Charlie batteries, 2C batteries. Those are not included. Pick those up. Is there a timer mode here?
There is a timer. Thank you. A 6-hour timer. So when you set it, you have 6 hours on, 18 hours off. When you set that timer, you'll have 576 hours of glow time with the 2C batteries.
Between this morning's airing and this one, how many now? 1,700 for the day.
That's incredible.
Here's all I have left. We've already sold out of reindeer. If you want gingerbread, I have fewer than 400. This is most popular. We have snowman.
I love him.
Final 150. And we also have penguin. 200. You know what also, and this is a rule I have on David's Big Christmas. An item has to look as good in the daylight as it does after dark.
Yes.
And this is one of those items. This is decorated all the way around.
Yeah, all the way around, which is so beautiful. All that detail, right? It would have been so easy to just give him a flat back, but no, not with Temp-tations. Everything has that 3-dimensional detail. All of these are then carved, that beautiful resin, and then hand-painted. So that same story, for 21 years, we've been sharing Temp-tations with all of you. The first time we've ever brought the characters lifelike, and we've nestled them all over the set, whether you're putting them on kind of that sofa table that's behind your couch, or look what we did with Penny. Behind you, David.
He's big.
Yeah, I was cuddling him before. I was like, me and my
Love
snowman.
him. He's so
Even in your
big.
arms, he looks rather
I mean, and
large.
I'm a large human, and look at how big he is. I'm also covering my mic. I apologize to our friends in audio.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We're very, very busy.
They're super special.
Only
you
order
guys.
of the year. We're not going to bring these back in, not because we don't want to, but because Tara can't get a reorder.
We cannot get a reorder. No, we cannot.
These
Not
are
this year.
all hand painted.
Yes.
So it's important to know. And next year, who knows?
Right.
Material costs might go up. These might be more money.
Right.
So get yours now, and then once you have it, you've got a traditional decoration you bring out year after year after year.
You know this is like my passion, right? I love these figures. I love being able to bring them life size or a larger size. Look at this on a sofa table. I love that. Next to that Harry Slatkin candle. Look how nice it nestles in.
And our post huggers.
Oh, the post huggers. That's adorable. So I love that. We were showing you Penny before. She's getting ready to make some s'mores by the fireplace. These become those traditional pieces that, David, you can tuck by your fireplace. Maybe you can get two and put them right by the mantle. Maybe you can put them outside your front door, in the yard.
We just sold out of Snowman.
That's my favorite.
So Snowman is gone.
I'm not allowed to have favorites, you said. Sorry.
You can have favorites because you're the mother designer.
These are so sweet.
This is fantastic. Here's gingerbread, already very popular. Let me hand off Snowman
Gingerbread
here.
has, of course, that candy cane that he's holding. He has the cardinal right here that's attached.
Fewer than 150 of these.
Wow, okay.
Going very quickly.
And then, of course, you see that jewel tone lights that you see around the edge. And then look at how sweet Penny is.
Would you like the penguin? Because only 4 dozen of these.
I was going to have the penguin and the polar bear fight it out. I mean, I was just going to see who might win.
Have you all seen
this polar bear is unbelievable.
Look at the big air balloon coming up.
Look.
It's David's Great Big Christmas. Look at this.
Look.
You put the penguin beside the polar bear.
Out.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now, Mike, my director, who has 3 little boys at home and loves Christmas probably more than they do.
Yes.
Yeah. He was like, that's fun.
Yes, it's super fun.
He just said that in my ear. That's fun.
That's super fun.
Really, really fun. Hey, don't miss out on this opportunity.
These are so great.
Mike's wife has 4 little boys at home.
Oh, there you go.
3 sons and a husband.
Oh, true story.
There you go.
True story.
So 4 boys.
Don't we all?
Hey, we are now last call in everything. If you want gingerbread,
you guys.
I have 4 dozen left. Penguin just sold out.
Oh, penguin sold out. I can't believe gingerbreads usually are most popular. So I love the fact that, again, this is that classic gingerbread detail that you see there with the mittens. Look at the sweet little pink cheeks, the smiling, all those beautiful jewel tone lights that you see there. And I love what you were saying. It's as pretty when the lights are on as it is when it's dark out.
These are fantastic, and when the lights go even a little lower, that's when the jewel tone, the little gems really come into play. This is dynamic and fabulous and fun, and so Temp-tations. Did you notice the Temp-tations flowers?
Yeah. All on his scarf, on his mittens, around his hat, all of those sweet details, and then the pops of those jewel tone lights that you see there.
This just sold out.
Wow.
Friend, all
Thank you,
gone.
everybody.
All gone.
That's awesome.
Hey, I will see you this weekend.
Yes, you will. I'll see you on Sunday.